Chicago, where the local time is 8:54. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. To help keep the aircraft comfortable for our next customers, please open all your overhead air vents, and if you're sitting next to a window, please close the window shade. If you have a connecting flight, you can use the United app to find directions and the estimated walking time to your next gate. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. If you checked any luggage and Chicago is your final destination, that can be claimed in baggage carousel number 2. Once again, if you checked luggage and Chicago is your final destination, you can get that baggage in carousel number 2. On behalf of our entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It's been an honor to serve you for the past 100 years. Thank you for being part of our journey, and we look forward to flying you in the friendly skies for the next 100. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties.